The Tile Laser Level 360 from INSPIRITECH offers remarkable room coverage with its 4 by 360-degree planes and 16 green laser lines, ensuring high visibility for various construction tasks. This laser level is designed to provide precise measurements with exceptional accuracy, making it ideal for detecting high and low spots during floor installations. User-friendly features such as the self-leveling mode make it easy to operate. It automatically levels itself when tilted within 3 degrees, ensuring effortless alignment. Equipped with 2 long-lasting 6,000 mAh lithium batteries, this tool supports extended use, allowing for uninterrupted work throughout the day. A comprehensive set of accessories accompanies the laser level, including a magnetic wall bracket, fine-tuning bases, and a luxury hard-carrying case for convenience and protection. Although designed for indoor use, users can adjust the laser brightness to suit their needs, enhancing the overall experience in various lighting conditions.